Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC audio jack issues in your computer. First you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, under the System section scroll down and go to Troubleshoot option, tap on Other Troubleshooters and click on Play in Audio, just tap on Run. It will be find the related issues with the audio. So wait for the process is completed. So in my case I have speakers and digital audio, so you can choose the which device has issue, then after tap on next. It will be find the issue that one related. So once it is completed, just close this one and close this one also. Again right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, tap on Sound, Video and Game Controllers, expand this one, right click on the each device, tap on Update Driver and tap on Search automatically for drivers. If the driver has latest update, it will be automatically download. So if it is not working, right click on it again. In this time tap on Uninstall Device and tap on Uninstall. Once you uninstall the device driver, you have to restart your computer to reinstall it automatically. So then after close this one and close this one. Then after go to search bar, search for sound setting, tap on this one, scroll down and go to more sound setting option. Check in here if your device is available, and if your device is disabled, you can just tap on it and right click on it and you will be able to find enable option here, because this is already enabled, so now it is showing disable. So you can see your device is enabled or disabled. And also you can right click on that device, then after you will be able to find active set as default device option. You need to tap on set as default device option as your audio jack device. Okay, then after close this one, tap on OK, close this one also, and again go to search bar, search for sound setting, tap on this one, scroll down, go to more sound setting. If your audio jack is visible in here, just tap on it and tap on properties, go to advanced tab, make sure to select the default format as DVD quality, the second option, and tap on OK and tap on OK in here also and close this one. And other than that, you can right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, again go to Sound, Video and Game Controllers. You can see if you see an unnecessary audio device from here, right click on that driver and tap on Uninstall Device. So it will be help to disable unwanted and drivers to avoid conflicts. After all the changes, you have to restart your computer. So if it will be help to fix the audio issues in your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.